Did you know that this type of ice actually cools better than other types because the liquid can go inside and around all of the different sides, so it maximizes the exposure in the liquid? I had no idea until now, but I do now. But compact, portable, so easy to take on a tailgate, camping, to basement, and just plug it in. You have ice wherever you need it. And 5 things I absolutely love about this Countertop plug-in ice maker on the go. First of all, you can make ice in 10 minutes and a lot of it. Second, it makes 26 pounds of ice a day. So compact. It lets you know when to add water, when ice is full. It's just one simple button. You don't even have to read directions if you want to. It's like, couldn't be easier. Pour the water in, it makes ice. It made some for me, enough to fill a cup in about 4 minutes. You do need to know you have a 3-prong outlet and it has the light indicators. You just follow the steps. So right now it says add water and you add it to the fill line. I have my water here. I'm literally gonna pour it in up to the fill line, and that's all I have to do besides pushing start. It can actually be easier than that. That's it. And now I fill the water reservoir, I close it, and I push start. And you can see it's gone into power mode. What's beginning to happen is the water will run through the entire machine. So it automates into the system, it pulls water through the bottom and begins to circulate it through the cooling system in the bottom of the machine with the fan. The water cools over time and eventually it makes the ice. This is actually kind of hard to see, but you can hear it and you can see the water is coming through the bottom. It's just recycling through the machine to generate the cooling to make the ice. The fan input output is there. It does need about 4 inches away from the counter to run, but that's it. It's now been running about 4 minutes, and you can see this is the amount of ice it made. So I could certainly already fill a cup of ice if I wanted to, and I just keep letting it running for the full 10 minutes. It'll fill that entire jar. Overall, what I love the best? The best is that it makes all of this ice in 10 minutes. So no waiting around forever. You can just literally take this out, put it wherever you need it, and go. It couldn't be simpler. So it doesn't have those traditional freezer trays. It's ready in minutes. I can literally use it anywhere I want, and it makes a perfect amount of ice for any entertaining. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.